Now we'll learn how to save dashboards. To begin, log in to the Redash platform using the created credentials. In the Settings section, you can add data sources. By default, submissions are returned to MongoDB. Provide the MongoDB data source details, including the URL, username, and password. After checking the connection and saving the form, proceed to the Query section. A query has already been created for this use case. The query is designed to aggregate form submissions related to the employee onboarding process. It collects submissions grouped by department and counts the total number of submissions for each department. Once the query is successful, you can move on to the Chart section. Add the desired chart type, such as a bar chart or line chart, and configure the visualization. Set the X-axis as the department and the Y-axis as the total number of submissions. Save the query. Now let's move to the Dashboard section. Create an employee onboarding dashboard and add widgets as needed. For example, you can add the previously created chart widget. Edit the dashboard layout and save it. Next, share the dashboard with public users and publish it. Log out and log in again using the provided credentials on the web QR platform. In the Admin section, you will find the created dashboard available. You can assign the dashboard to specific groups or users. After checking the group settings, log out and log in as the user John. John can now access the assigned dashboard in the Inside tab. That concludes the process of integrating a dashboard with formsflow. Ensure you follow the steps correctly to provide the necessary access and permissions for users. Thank you.